In today's video, I want to show you how to change your YouTube channel name, and YouTube has finally made it super easy. It used to be pretty difficult, and that's why I'm updating this video, because before it was tied to your Google account. So everything you did with YouTube had to take place on the Google side. Now you no longer need to do that to change your YouTube channel name. You could do it right on YouTube. I'll show you how to do it on the desktop, Mac or PC, and then I'll show you on the YouTube app too. So make sure you log into your account where you want to change your name here. I've logged into this account. I'm going to press my profile picture right over here. And to change your name, you just have to go to YouTube Creator Studio. Click on this. And on this page, go to the left side and click on customization. And here, go to basic information. On this page, if you click this pencil icon right here, you could edit your channel's name. And if you want this to take effect here, just go ahead and press publish and you will have a brand new channel name on YouTube. And I'm going to show you how to do it on your mobile device as well. On your phone, to do the same exact thing, open up the YouTube app, not YouTube Studio, just the regular YouTube app this time. Click your profile picture on top and then just go to My Channel, just right here, My Channel. And go ahead and edit this channel. Just go ahead and press edit on it. And your name shows up over here. To edit it, just press the pencil icon again, type in a new name, and then again, make sure you press the check mark and those changes will be reflected on YouTube. Again, this doesn't change the connected Google account, which is good. You just are changing the channel name on YouTube.